Okay, so today I'm going to replace some drawer slides. As you can see, the bearings in this have started to let go, and somehow this part got damaged. As you can see, it's no longer lined up properly. So I'm not sure exactly what happened, but one day the drawer just stopped closing properly. And I guess by forcing it in, it damaged the bottom parts of the rail. So what I'm going to do is I just took it out. I'm going to measure its length. And then I'm going to go down to Home Depot and see if I could get one. This is not a soft close one, so I'm going to purchase a soft close one and take it out. This is what the bearings look like. All right, and it was also held in place by 3 screws, one here, one in the middle, and one at the end. Right there. All right, so they seem to have in stock, so I'm going to go check it out, take one of these with me and see if I could get a replacement with a soft close this time. This drawer holds pots, so I want to get one that could carry a certain amount of weight, so something a bit more higher end. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so this is what I purchased. I purchased a full extension ball bearing slide set, 20 inches, soft close. Alright, it also came with hardware, mounting hardware and instructions included. So here's the hardware. Here's the instructions. Now I decided to go with a soft close. This is kind of how it works. Push it out. It takes a fair amount of effort to pull out because there's some springs in there. When you release it, it goes back in. I read a review online that somebody said after about 4 or 5 years there's some oil or something in here that tends to leak, or that's what happened with that person, and it failed. So my original slide lasted me 14 years. So let's see, I wonder if this will last me as long. But I like the soft close feature because you don't the drawers don't slam. So I'm willing to try it on a few drawers, some that are sticky right now and some that are just worn out. So what I did, I went to the store, I took one of them with me, the old one, and I made sure I had the right size. When I just open the package, I make sure they're the same thickness, because you can't easily change types of drawer slides. There are the undermount slides, there's some cheaper ones, but the drawers are already designed with a certain width to accommodate these slides. So it's kind of hard to swap them out for something such as an undermount one or anything else. You have to get the same profile and the same lengths so it will work. So I'm going to follow the instructions. It's pretty detailed what you need to do to remove the old one and put a new one in, which I wouldn't show on the video, but looks simple enough, and we'll see what happens. The tools you need is a screwdriver. I'm going to use a cordless drill, measuring tape, pencil, and level. Pretty simple, right? And take a knee pad. You're going to be down on your knees doing this, and a shop light. Okay, so this is the final product. I replace the slides. Looks okay. This is the soft close one. So when you close it, right, the only thing I didn't think of or didn't realize is that when you're opening it, there is some resistance. So you have to pull on it until the resistance is overcome, and then you're able to open it. So just keep that in mind. Close nicely now. Did this one, which contains pots, this one with pots, and this one is a pull-out, which is spice rack. And it all closes very well. No more slamming of drawers.